Sure. Well, welcome to GlycoMimetics. So we're based in Rockville, Maryland. We have about 65 employees, and we're focused on developing drugs with a specialized type of chemistry that we're now using to target mostly diseases of the blood, in particular a form of leukemia that's very severe. We have that drug now in 2 advanced studies, and we're really very excited about the prospect for that, hopefully to be able to deliver something that would improve the lives of people who are dealing with leukemia. It would inhibit our ability to get the resources that we need to develop the treatments that we could bring potentially to patients in the future. So it would directly inhibit our ability to raise money to develop those innovative cures. So it's not the right way to address the problem that we all agree on as being something that needs to be addressed. What we need to do is we need to support innovation. And I would say to the President, America is a leader in biotechnology innovation. Let's continue to drive that as the leader that we are by supporting innovation, by encouraging ongoing research in that incredibly successful industry. Investors can put their money wherever they want to, right? Investors can put their money into apps, they can put them into cell phones, they can put them into IT, all kinds of IT applications, or they can put their money into developing new drugs. If we change the incentives, and if we decrease the incentives for investing in new drugs, the money will flow out of the biotechnology industry. And the United States risks losing its lead position in biotechnology. The other thing I think is important in this debate is to recognize that one of the benefits that we have been able to achieve in the United States through the innovation that we've driven and through the whole ecosystem for drug development is that in the United States, patients have access to more novel drugs than they do in other countries. So if you look at the number of drugs that have been approved, let's say since around 2011, roughly the past 8 or 10 years, if you look at where they're available, you'd see about 90% of those drugs are available to patients in the United States. If you look at countries like France, Switzerland, Canada, 50% or less of the new drugs approved in that time period are available there. We don't want that situation in the United States. We want both the innovation and the access to innovation. And I think we can accomplish both of those, but not through importing price controls.